Hello, I'm Stephanie Hatcher, an instructor in the Public Affairs Communication and Strategy Directorate, and today I'm going to show you how to create a video by recording your voice over a PowerPoint presentation. This feature allows you to create a narrated slideshow that plays as a video, which can be used for things like distance learning, creating training aids to supplement a lesson, or providing remediation. The first step is to create your PowerPoint presentation just as you would if you were going to present it live. Go ahead and include animations if you want. I know a lot of us prefer to use Google Slides, myself included, and that's fine. While Google doesn't offer the option to narrate slides, it does allow you to export your slide deck as a PowerPoint file. I just caution that if you do this, you should run through your slides before you begin recording to make sure everything transferred correctly. Sometimes Google will allow you to use fonts or animations that PowerPoint can't support. Next, create a script for each slide. Make sure you include stage directions for whomever's going to read the script if you have animation that requires a click. As you can see here, I've highlighted mine in yellow so we don't miss them. Once your presentation and script are complete, you're ready to record. At the top of your screen in PowerPoint, click on the Slideshow tab. From there, click on Record Slideshow, and then click where you want the recording to start, from the beginning or from the current slide. Once you select where you want to start recording, a new screen will pop up that looks like this one. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see a set of controls: record, stop, and replay. To begin recording, hit the record button. A 3-second timer will count down to let you know when to start your narration. Begin speaking. If you have any animations on that slide, click the mouse to trigger them for the recording. You can also use the drawing tools at the bottom of the slide to write or highlight something on the slide. Kind of like this. And here's another useful tool. If you copy and paste your script for each slide into the speaker's notes in PowerPoint, you'll be able to see them in the record window by clicking the Notes button at the top of the page. The notes for that slide will appear, but do not show up in the recording, so you can use them as a little personal teleprompter. If you need to take a break during your narration, you can hit the pause button that appears here in the upper left-hand corner once you've started recording. This will pause the recording, then let you pick back up where you left off when you're ready to continue. However, it does create a small but noticeable bump in the audio, so you might want to be mindful of that. Once you finish your narration, click the Stop button in the upper left-hand corner. Once you've stopped recording, you'll notice a speaker icon appears in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This means that this slide now has narration attached to it. To hear the narration, click on the Replay button in the top left to see and hear the slide as the viewer would. When playback is complete, the program will automatically advance you to the next slide. If you don't like what you recorded and want to change it, simply hit the arrow key on the left side of the screen to go back to the previous slide. To replace the narration, you can simply hit the Record button again to replace what was already there. Alternately, you can hit the X in the upper right portion of your screen and select Clear Recording on Current Slide or Clear Recordings on All Slides. Once you're satisfied with your recording, advance to the next slide and repeat. When you finish narrating every slide, click on the small X in the upper right-hand corner to exit out of the recording window. When you exit the recording screen, you'll return to the standard PowerPoint layout that you're used to. To create a video with your new narrated slideshow, click the File tab at the top of your screen, then scroll down to Export. In the Export menu, click Create a Video. You'll have several options for the size of your video. I use 720p for mine. Make sure Use Recorded Timings and Narrations is selected. And if you have any slides that do not have narration, you can tell the program how long to display those slides with this little counter here. The default is 5 seconds. Now click Create Video. A window will pop up asking you where you want to save the video. Input your destination, click Save, and you're done. And that's how you create a training video using narration over PowerPoint slides. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email at shatcher@dinfos.edu, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.